Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. Today is October the 18th, and the chart of the day for today is oil, 60 minutes time frame here. Now we can see, I think what I want to kind of talk about today is only in the shorter cycle, because the long term or the medium term, the outlook may change, and I will explain some of the possibilities in the medium term and long term, but at least in the short term is our focus today. Okay, so in the short term here is I want you to pay attention to this move up from 81.5. Now you can see there is a 1 2 3 4 and then 5, right? So let's see, I think we have not broken above this with 3 here yet. 88.33. Yeah, we are very close, but I think it's almost certain it's gonna break above. I think it's very unlikely we start to turn lower from here. Okay, so let's assume with high degree certainty we break above here. So that means we are looking for a 5 swing rally. Now there is an overlap, but that's fine. We can be doing a diagonal, right? Now because of the 5 swing rally, so that basically simply means that we should be favoring more upside shorter term, right? Shorter term, because 5 swing is incomplete sequence. Complete sequence or corrective sequence is always going to be in 3 swing or in 7 swing, but not in 5 swing. Okay, so 5 swing is incomplete sequence. Now this 5 swing here could be a diagonal, and then from there we get a 3 pullback and then higher again. That's one possibility. If this is a corrective structure, this could be A, B, C ending W here, and this could be your X, and then you can have another ABC. So the pullback is not going to be deep, it's just going to be doing another extension higher immediately. So you're going to have a 7 swing higher, 1 2 3. So again, the possibility here in the shorter cycle, guys, because of the 5 swing, the first possibility is, as we are showing, after the 5 swing is finished, we got a pullback and then higher. Or if not, then we can also do a 7 swing like this, which is a WXY structure, right? But either way, you can see whether you're going to be doing this or whether you're going to be doing this blue one. You will see further upside regardless because of the 5 swing, right? Everybody understand that the bias in the shorter cycle is upside. Now there is another one which is even more bullish, which is a nest. Now a nest means simply that this is 1 2 and this is actually a 1 and 2 again in the lower degree. Now again, that's not our view because this one reaches the 100%, so it seems to be a little bit too big for another 1 and 2 here, but that's also another option. We cannot completely rule out 1 2 1 2, and then that means we will be rallying massively like an 3 of 3, right? So the idea here is, therefore I want to make sure that everybody understand what we're gonna try to explain here. This is not a sell because of the 5 swing. That's all I'm trying to say. In the shorter cycle, because of the 5 swing, if anything, you should see further extension higher in oil. And then there are 3 different ways it can extend higher. One is 5 swing, diagonal, pull back 3 ways and higher. Another one is a WX, and then you go directly 3 swings higher. And then another one, which is the most bullish of all, is gonna be a 1 2 1 2 and then 3 of 3 to the upside. Now medium term, long term, if you look at this is a W, right? So that means if you look at the weekly, this could be just the first leg of the correction in oil, this W here in the 81.53. But like I said, the medium term could change because it all depends whether or not we're gonna hold below here, right? This is the previous low, 95 here. Now if we hold below it and then we can turn lower like this and do a bigger pullback. But if we break above, then technically we have already started the next leg higher. So you can see in the rally from the lows here in May is also looking kind of impulsive. So we can either finish the correction here or this correction here. The W here that we saw in the 1 hour could be just the first leg of the correction, right? But regardless, that simply means that this decline is corrective because you're labeling as W, right? It's not a 1 with 1. So that means we again, the possibility the medium term can change. We can either do another leg down due to a bigger correction WXY before higher, or we can directly go higher from here, right? Now, is almost, I mean, this low here, mean the first, I believe is a significant low, because if okay, let's just for the fun sake, we assume breaking down, right? Now that means what? That means this is your connector, because you know this is not going to be the same cycle anymore from the peak. So that means this is your A, or this is your W, however you want to call it, right? And then this is your P or your X, and then you're gonna reach 100%, which is $28, right? Will oil go $28? I don't think so. That doesn't make any sense at all. Oil going to 28, at least in this kind of period in time where you know the OPEC Plus is trying to continue to control the production and so on. So this is going to be significant low, and the option in the weekly or in the long term is only two. Either we finish the correction here and go higher directly, or this is the first leg, you rally and then go down and then higher. Now that's the long term, guys. Short term, you don't need to be concerned with this. Short term, all you need to know is this move up from the lows is in 5 swing here. That's what we need to know. 1 2 3 4 5. So in the short term, your focus should be higher, and that's it, right? We should look for more upside in oil in the meantime in the shorter cycle. All right, so that's the update today, guys. And as always, if you want to get more updates on oil or any other commodities, Forex, indices, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the YouTube video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.